Change of state of matter. Change of state due to heating. If you heat a solid, it will change into a liquid. This is called melting. If you further heat the liquid, it will start boiling. Soon, the liquid will start changing into vapours. The change of liquid into vapours on heating is called evaporation. Change of state due to cooling. On cooling, gases change to liquid state. This process is called condensation. On further cooling, the liquid turns into a solid. This is called freezing. Types of changes. Physical changes. Change in the state of matter of a substance can be a physical change or a chemical change. Physical changes can be reversed, that is, they are temporary changes. Whereas chemical changes cannot be reversed, that is, they are permanent changes. In physical changes, only the arrangements of molecules change and no new substance is formed. For example, changing of water into ice, melting of ice, stretching of a rubber band, etc. Chemical changes. In a chemical change, new molecules are formed and a new substance is formed. For example, burning of paper, frying of egg, curdling of milk, cooking vegetables, etc.